this week's dish from the pan to here, from the gravy pot to the pan to here. Once again, gravy in the pan, and you get this result. Welcome back. This week we are cooking some chicken tikka curry with some peppers and onions. So normally the chicken shahslik that you get with some peppers and onion and the chicken tikka, pretty much similar. I'm going to make that. I've just cooked the base gravy, the pre-cooked base gravy recipe. So this is quite late in the evening, so I'm just going to cook myself a quick curry. Okay, no messing around, no fancy stuff, just want a nice hot curry. I'm going to make it a hot one, not too hot though. Basic ingredients, make it like a Madras jalfrezi style. So having said that, guys, let's go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share your comments, your thoughts, and let's go. So what we got here, right? The only fancy stuff I'm going to use in this one is going to be a bit of Panch phoron. The flavour's intense, it's lovely, and that's all we're going to use. And go with a good pinch. There we go. So this has got some nice flavour. So it's got the cumin, it's got the nigella seeds, coriander seeds, all of that. There's 5 different spices in there. Right, heat up. And again, guys, it's late, so I'm not gonna mess around and cut these. Okay, I'm just gonna what I do. I'm gonna use 4 of these. Let's go. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for tuning in. Right, here we go. The aroma is coming out with the heat a bit down. So there we go. Right, I'm gonna whack some fenugreek leaf in there. Right, here we go. What we got? Right, let's go with this. So we've got some peppers. I've got a couple of tomatoes in there. I'm going to put a bit more. And there we go. Let's get our next powder in there. 1 big teaspoon. And then chilli, add to your taste. I'm going to use, which is probably actually about a good 1 teaspoon. It's about nothing fancy, quick curry in a hurry. There you go. Get a bit of salt in there, add salt to your taste. Just a tiny bit. Cook all the spices. Heat's going back up. Chilies are going in. The other thing I'm going to chop is going to be the coriander. I'm going to use the coriander spoon. No, look at that. No fancy stuff, guys. Late night, get the chicken in there. Right, get your base gravy in there. Add a bit now. So go. Leave that there. Guys, if you haven't seen my recipe for the tandoori chicken using air fry, use that. I've used the same recipe to make chicken tikka with it. Right? Add some more coriander. Let that bubble away. What are we on? 5 minutes, not too bad, is it, guys? If the gravy's hot, fresh gravy, chicken tikka's fresh, freshly made today, all the peppers are made, so it's done. Quick curry. Look at that. If you want. Put that here for a second. So, appreciate this cover. In a hurry, guys. Everything's fresh, everything's ready, right? The mixed curry powder, the base gravy, that's where the flavour is. If you get that right, it will be amazing. There we go, lovely job. And this is it, our chicken tikka Shahslik style Bhuna is ready, right? That failed, didn't it? Because this thing went everywhere. Let's sort this out. Right, guys, there we go, done. Heat off. If you want to make it more saucy, guys, you can make it more saucy, okay? So add more base gravy in there, so I've probably got another good 2 curries left in there for now. Right, let's just get it here. Hopefully this thing isn't moving again. Here. There we go. At the restaurants, in takeaways, if you went for this, you'd probably pay for these days in excess of 10-12 quid. But at home, using my recipes on my channel, guys, you can make this for fraction of the price. Fraction of the price. There we go. Enjoy the recipe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And hopefully by then I'll have a new one of these stands. There we go. All the best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.